Hi, my name is Dr. Jochen, and today I'm doing a review on Emsculpt. Now, Emsculpt is a new device, and I'm always looking for the next new device that I can bring into the practice. So Emsculpt the idea is that it's stimulating your muscles to give you muscle tone, so you're going to look more like you've gone to the gym. So if your abs are a little bit flabby, this device might make them look a little bit more prominent. And if you want the derriere improved, or you want a little bit more bulk or tone there, this is the device for you, according to the company. So what I did was I tried this out, and it's an electromagnetic current that stimulates your muscles to contract. And what it does then is it makes the muscles bulk up a little bit. And there is scientific evidence that this actually is happening. They recommend to do about 4 treatments, and it takes about half an hour per area to do this. And you're supposed to do these every 2 to 3 days for 4 treatments. And the price is anywhere from $750 to $1,000 a treatment, which equates to about $4,000 to tighten up your muscles. Now, my issue with this device is that, yeah, I go to the gym, boom, to try to get some muscle tone. Maybe you can't see it because somebody recently told me, oh, you stopped going to the gym, Dr. Jochen, and you're not bulking up anymore. And I was like, oh. But I am still going to the gym. So the idea here is that if I go to the gym, I've been going for many, many, many years, but if I stop going to the gym, what's going to happen to this? It's going to start to get saggy and squishy and disappear. And so I have to go, I'm kind of fanatic, I go 5 to 6 days a week, right? With this device, you're only having it done 4 times in a very short period of time, in a couple weeks. And the science shows that it does work, but how often are we going to have to do this to maintain the result? Now, let's just say it's easier than going to the gym where I go 6 days a week or 5 days a week, sometimes 4 days a week. Don't tell anybody. But so with this device, do I have to do it once a week? Or do I have to do it once every month? Or do I have to do it once every 6 months? Any way you look at it, it seems like the muscles will start to get saggy again unless you're doing recurrent treatments. And so to me, I'm not ready to buy the device until I've figured out the exact sequence of timing that we have to do it. And at that price of $750 a treatment, to me, it makes more sense to go to the gym, even if it's only for half an hour a day. So for now, we're not going to get this device. I'm excited that in the future, maybe something that we'll look at again. For now, I'm just going to give it 1 thumb down, not 2 thumbs down, just 1 thumb down, because I'm optimistic that they may really get this device figured out.